Hi, bud. Hi. What do you want to show him today? Say hello. You just hanging out on your new thing? You're a good boy. Yeah. Hello. Hello. What you doing, pal? Are you just preening? Just preening yourself? Are your little feathers out? Which is it? Alright, well, yeah. I just have to set my thing up and do it yet. Alright, we can turn that off. Sorry. Did you get a feather? You got a feather? Get a feather. You can't eat your feather, Goofy. Trying to eat your feather. You can't eat your feather. You liking your perches? You like them? You liking your perches? Yes, you do. We check them out. Brand new Manzanita perches. Oh, and hello. You like them? Brand new ones from manzanitadirect.com. Added a couple in his cage too. One all the way across. There's a couple in the back. I gotta close it because he'll want to go in and then he won't come out. No, back up here. Right here. Right here. Come on, Tiki. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Step up? No? Okay. Come on here. So Tiki's a 4-month-old Indian Ringneck. He'll start talking soon. He's good though. He does a lot of tricks and stuff. Hi. Hello. What are you doing? You say hi? Say hello? You gonna wave? You gonna wave? Want your treats? Daddy get your treats? Come here, I'll get you some. Oh, flies to me on command. Come on, Tiki. Tiki, come. Tiki, come. No, you're not feeling it now? You gotta wave then? Wave. 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 Come here. Come here. Wave. Wave. Good job, bud. Good job. Making him a treat. Usually I use the clicker too. Usually, but if he just does it, then I don't. Tiki, wave. Wave. Come here. Tiki, wave. 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 Good job, bud. Likes his almonds. job, bud. Could be a treat. Get back on there. So he flies to me, working on flight training. That's the command. I started with that. Started using the target stick on my hand, just tapping it. He, you know, comes for treats. He's, that's pretty good. 4 months old. Right? You pretty? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Tom will come back. Tom will be back. Do some.